Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, and hi madam. We're from group 2 and we're gonna present about our own and this is my team, Manesh, Nur Liana, Nur Arjana, Nur Shasha and me, Diamond Rajana. So I will go with 1.0 executive summary. Our brand overview is Velvet Reve. Velvet Reve is a modern fashion startup founded by 6 young creatives. The brand blends modern fashion with streetwear, offering inclusive, elegant, and sustainable design. Next, we also have vision and mission to refine modern and streetwear, fashion by promoting confidence, authenticity, and timeless urban style. Other than that, product offering. We will launching in January 2026 with gender-neutral apparel, capsule wardrobe collection, signature embroidered accessories. And we also have market goals. We will achieve 50,000 in sales within the first year, reach 20,000 social media followers within 6 months. More than that, team structure, which is flat and collaborative with all 6 co-founders contributing across. And creative direction, operation, marketing, finance, customer experience. Other than that, we also have core values, which is sustainability, quality control, community engagement. And furthermore, funding and strategy. Initial startup capital, so from 15,000, strong digital marketing and branding strategy targeting Malaysia. And the last one is fashion consumers, strong digital marketing and branding strategy targeting Malaysia fashion consumers. And the last one is brand identity, sophistication meets streetwear, inclusive fashion for a diverse audience, purpose-driven and socially conscious. That's all for me, and I will pass to Liana.
Hello everyone, I'm Liana. Today, I would like to share the meaning and inspiration behind the logo we create. The main reason I designed this logo is to represent the identity and purpose of Velvet Reve. Every element in the logo has been carefully chosen to reflect its value and vision. Velvet symbolizes luxury, softness, and sophistication. Reve is a French for dream, adding a romantic, aspirational tone. Together, Velvet Dream evokes a luxurious and graceful experience, perhaps in fashion, beauty, or lifestyle. The overall design is meant to be simple yet memorable, so it can leave strong impression on anyone who sees it. This logo is not just a visual, it's a reflection of the story, goals, and passion behind this project. I created with the hope that it communicates our message clearly and professionally to the audience. The type of business is partnership, and we have joined forces with a famous clothing brand in Malaysia, Uniqlo. Our store is located at number 23A, floor 1, Jalan Bukit Indah 3/2, Taman Bukit Indah 68,000, Ampang, Selangor, Malaysia. Lastly, our company slogan is "Where fashion dreams are made real." That's all from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Manish. Today I'm going to talk about what is planning. So planning is a process of setting goals, outlining strategies, and determining the action required to achieve those goals. The purpose in business is to provide direction, reduce risk, facilitate decision making, help allocate resources efficiently. The main planning of our company is to launch Velvet Start collection by January 2026 and to grow 20,000 social media followers within 6 months and to achieve 50,000 in sales within the first year. Okay, so we move to strategy planning. Okay, next we move to strategic planning. The main strategic planning is to collaborate with fashion and lifestyle influencer, to launch shoppable Instagram and TikTok profile, and run a monthly bundle sale promotion. Okay, now let's move to market and risk analysis. The main key of market and risk analysis is Duck, Labna, and Fashion Wallet. There's three main potential risks. The first one is oversupply, the second one is shipping delay, the third one is economics downturn. Okay, now let's move to the conclusion of my whole presentation. So the conclusion of my whole presentation is planning at Webwork Reve ensure clear direction, preparedness for risk, action driving strategy, smart use of capital and resources. With a detailed planning process, Velvet Reef is set to enter the market with strength and clarity. Okay, that is all for my presentation. Now I will pass the presentation to Zachary.
Okay, thank you, Manish. And now we will move to the organizing. And number one is organizational structure. Flat structure with collaborative team roles. For examples, in tech startup, a flat structure might mean no formal manager roles. Instead, software developers, designer, and marketers work together in teams. And now we will move to the importance of organizational structure. Number one is it defines roles and responsibilities. Number two is improve efficiency and communications. And number three is it helps in decision making and coordinations. And now we will move to the roles and responsibilities. CEO oversees operations and brand. For examples, the CEO will solve the problem that affects the entire organization. For creative lead, is design, trend search. For marketing, we have socials, PR, collaborations. For finance, we have budgeting and cost tracking. For OPS, we have productions and supplier coordination. For support, we have customer care and order tracking. And now we will move to the last one, which is resource allocation. We have RM 15,000 startup fund for the capital. This means the business has RM 15,000 allocated as initial startup funding. For the tools, we have Canva Pro, Shopify, social media, and local tailors. That is all from me. So I will pass the next slides to the Putri Shasha.
I'm going to talk about leading and controlling. So, our leadership style is transformational. It includes creativity, team bonding, and growth. Our team motivation strategies are monthly design contest internally. The reward system is a 100 ringgit bonus for top idea each quarters plus the flexi hours for productivity. Our communication and design are making by having weekly meetings and having a feedback form every 2 weeks. Also, shared a Google Workspace. For the controlling, our performance measurement tools by weekly sales and social media engagement system. Furthermore, the quality control and feedback system. Lastly, for our monitoring and improvement, we had a monthly review meeting, and also for the improvement, we can adjust the strategy based on KPI performance.
Okay, now let's talk about the vision of our company. Our vision at Velvet Reef is to become a leading fashion brand that blends modest elegance with modern expression. We want to inspire confidence and self-expression through timeless, inclusive, and sustainable designs. Our mission is to provide high quality and affordable fashion that speaks to both style and substance. We aim to empower individuals without regardless of gender to express their identity through thoughtfully designed clothing. At Velvet Reve, we also prioritize sustainability, inclusivity, and authenticity in every collection we create. So let's talk about the objective of our company. We have set clear goals to keep our brand focused and impactful. First, to launch our debut collection by January 2026, featuring gender-inclusive streetwear and modest fashion. The second one is to achieve 15,000 ringgit Malaysia in sales within the first years of operation. Third, to grow our social media presence to 20,000 followers in just 6 months. We also aim to maintain a 19% customer satisfaction rate and implement sustainable practices such as reusable packaging and ethical production. So the conclusion is Velvet Reve is just more than a fashion brand. It's a creative movement built by 6 young entrepreneurs. Our brand represents elegance, ambition, and bold self-expression. With strong planning, teamwork, and a passion for sustainability, we believe Velvet Reve is ready to make an impact in Malaysia's fashion scene. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Velvet Reve, fashion dreams are made real.